for a 46-year-old to go the distance, 12 rounds, against a 30-year-old defending champion, iyon pa lang, kita mo na, major accomplishment na yon. I thought Manny Pacquiao won that fight. I
Mm.
scored it 115, 113. Manny Pacquiao, he deserved that WBC belt. I thought yung majority draw decision na yon ay masyadong mali. Of
Mm.
course, we have to clarify, in a draw mga kaibigan, hindi po natalo si Manny Pacquiao. Walang talo, walang panalo. Pero this is a title fight. Manny
Mm.
Pacquiao needed nothing less than a win. He
Mm.
cannot settle for a draw to get that title. On the other hand, si Mario Barrios, kahit tabla, okay na. Because I
Mm.
get to retain the belt. So in a way, nakita po ninyo, he needed a win. And I thought he did enough because Mario Barrios showed him so much respect. Medyo
Mm.
hesitant. Kulang na lang magmano itong si Barrios kay Manny Pacquiao. Hesitant siya. Nandun yung left jab pero ayaw niyang i-follow through with the right hand. Yung kanyang mga trainer sinasabi na mismo sa kanya, do not show him any respect.
Yeah.
You allowed Manny Pacquiao to last the 12-round distance because walang pressure na natatanggap si Manny Pacquiao. He was not pressured. Hindi siya binubrusko ni Barrios. So
Mm.
Manny Pacquiao, nirealize niya, teka muna, I can go the distance in this fight. I just have to be careful. I thought he did enough. For a 46-year-old guy, I thought he did enough and I thought he was robbed of a decision win in that fight.
Actually, Sir Ed, the same thoughts. Very interesting kasi it looked like Manny Pacquiao set the tone for the entire
Yes.
match.
Yes. Ang ganda, nakita po ninyo yung diferensya ng experience ng Manny Pacquiao. Ang best weapon ni Barrios, yung kanyang kaliwang jab. Ano ang
Mhm.
ginawa ni Manny Pacquiao? Inunahan niya. Opening round pa lang, siya na ang pumipitik ng right jab. So
Mhm.
yung right jab, in effect, block the left jab of Mario Barrios. So naiipit yung left jab ni Barrios. Ngayon, ay naman sumuntok ni Barrios ng follow-up right straight kasi nasisingitan siya ng kaliwa ni
Mhm.
Manny Pacquiao. So, I thought yung experience ni Manny Pacquiao, yung natitirang skills niya at 46, apparently more than enough against Barrios. So I don't know how they can give it to Mario Barrios. Dahil ba bata? Because he gets to, have a longer career than Manny Pacquiao. Let's be fair. I thought he won that fight, itong labang ito. Malayo, 115, 113 in my unofficial scorecard.
Mhm. Sir Ed, let's talk about the last three rounds. Yun nga yung tinatawag nila na championship rounds madalas. Ano yung naging assessment nyo? Because yung 12 round, parang ano na sila eh. They were very, nag-iingat na kumbaga. Pero do you think kung may lumamang dun sa 12 round na yon, it could have gone either way?
Ako, honestly, I thought Barrios needed a knockout to
Mhm.
get that win, to seal that win. Of course, Manny Pacquiao, the younger Pacquiao would have gone all out. Would have gone all out. But siguro inisip ni Manny Pacquiao, teka, lamang na ako eh. I might as well play safe. Mahirap na, baka madali ako ng isang
Mhm.
kanan. Tumodo yung Barrios. Kahit na ibigay mo yung last round kay Barrios, lamang pa rin sa aking unofficial scorecard yung Manny Pacquiao eh. He had to coast because he thought, lamang na ako, 46, baka masingitan pa ako. In fact, it was more incumbent on Barrios to really, go full throttle. Dahil siya
Mhm.
po nag-aabol doon sa rounds niyan. He gave away so many rounds in the middle rounds kay Manny Pacquiao because of his tentativeness, because of his hesitancy. So I thought Pacquiao pulled enough lead, and I thought Barrios needed a knockout to salvage that fight. So between Pacquiao and Barrios, mas obligado yung Barrios na itodo yung
Mhm.
kanyang arsenal in the last round. So Pacquiao, in a way, all he had to do was coast. Unfortunately, sabi nga po natin, iba ang naging mata ng mga hurado.